at KTAuthentics Sports Memorabilia Cards. Richard over on YouTube. Gonna try his luck, or their luck, I should say, at Pro Debut. Box 3. You ready for Finest next week, Brad? Where you can't buy the Astros? Well, how do you have a baseball product with no Astros autos? Did you guys already get it over there? And the Orioles have 14 different autos, and all they have is Cowerkin Jr. and Manny Machado. Superfractor side. Dougie's going to pull a Superfractor. Dougie got a personal case of it. Alright, all cards do ship, Richard. So we'll go through them pretty fast. Exactly. But that's kind of the point of... Ryan Mountcastle at a 99. Doug bought a case a while ago, Brad. He's going to pull the Superfractor Ohtani in his case. Green, Brian Millard at a 99. 29 of 99. Yeah, so do I. I'm sure we'll hear. I told him to go live. I want him to go live in the Facebook room while he opens it. Who's on the Blue Jays? Albert Azole for the Cubbies. Not bad. Albert Azole. Well, I'm probably going to end up shipping all cards, Tom. So those teams are going to sell for something. And there's chance at supers. And Mirandy Gonzalez. Ugh. Randy Gonzalez. Come on. Short print of somebody good. Guess what? That's not Ryan Velade. Tommy O'Doyle, team flag. What's up, Doug? Orange, Blake Rutherford, 12 of 25. O'Doyle rules. Tommy O'Doyle rules. The Bichette. Oh, ooh, another green. John Duplantier at a 99. Green. I don't know why these are going over there and these are going over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And Thicky to end it. Anyone got any Joe Adele Chrome Autos, by the way? Like true Chrome Autos, not insert autos. And Zach Kirtley, New York Pin League Championship banner 2-color. Alright, Richard, let me know if you want to do any more, man, or if you are good. Got some stuff to sort tonight.